I just added 1 bag of my frozen blueberries to my bundt pan. Now I'm coming in with my Pillsbury biscuit grams. Open these up, and we are gonna grab our biscuits, grab some scissors, and we're gonna cut them once, twice, just like so, and let our pieces fall right into our bundt pan. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious dessert. If you love blueberries, if you love sweet pies or anything like that, you will love this dessert. You could switch up the fruit too. You could do some frozen strawberries, some frozen raspberries, a triple berry blend, whatever you like, you could use that. But we're just gonna fill this up super quick so that we can get a nice full bundt pan of these delicious Pillsbury biscuits. Oh my.
Yum.
All right, so this is my 12th biscuit. We used 1.5 cans of the Pillsbury biscuits, and we are popping it right in there. Look how full and beautiful that looks. We are instantly gonna come in with some melted butter. This is 2 sticks of melted butter. And with that melted butter, we're gonna add some light brown sugar. Woo! I am a little messy today, but that's okay. A little mess never hurt anyone, right?
Yeah, exactly. If you're not making a mess in the kitchen,
You're not doing it right. So we added 1.5 cups of our brown sugar in there. Last thing we're gonna add to this mixture is some vanilla extract, and I'm just gonna use the little cap and do 2 teaspoons of vanilla right into our measuring cup. We're gonna give this a good whisk. This mixture is gonna go so beautifully with those biscuits and those blueberries. It's just gonna be so sweet. It's gonna be almost like a monkey bread, but better because we have those blueberries on those. The juices are just gonna come out so nicely and just fall right onto those biscuits as they cook. Okay, let's really get this blended together, get some arm strength in here. We want a nice thick mixture. Okay, this looks ready.
oh, that looks delicious.
Exactly. Okay, we're gonna bring in our bundt pan, and we're gonna drizzle our mixture right on top of those biscuits. And as it bakes, that mixture is just gonna fall between those biscuits and make this the most delicious dessert you've ever had. Okay, I might have overmade my mixture. I only used about 3/4 of it, but this is ready for the oven. Give it a little shimmy. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna bake for 45 minutes. Oh my, look how golden and beautiful that looks. I cannot wait to flip this over. We got our round platter here. Oh my gosh, I'm kind of scared, but I think it's gonna be
Oh,
okay.
You just didn't even count down. You just did it.
Yeah, that's how you do it.
I love your authenticity.
Let's get this out of the way. We don't need it anymore. Oh my gosh, it's starting to drip that blueberry goodness.
It's gooping.
It's gooping. All right, so if you let it sit in the pan a little longer than I did, the juice will start to thicken up and you won't get this splurge. But you guys know I'm impatient. I can't wait. So let's go ahead and dig in. Oh my goodness. Oh, look, the biscuits are perfectly cooked. Oh yeah, the sweet blueberry, the sweet biscuits. This is about to be divine.
You really outdid yourself this time.
Oh yeah. I've never had anything so delicious. Oh, this is great, you guys. You have to try it.